happy because of our good CS visiting us and come with very good and nice good days for the region. We are very happy with the medicines that he has brought to make sure that this area is disease free in terms of livestock, because in this region and the country at large, cattle rustling is a major problem. You remember there is a time when I had taken petition to Parliament saying that cattle rustling must be a capital offense, because it does not involve only stealing the cows but even the lives which are lost, because those bandits are usually armed to the tooth and they come steal and they kill human beings. So digital tracking is going to be a solution, because whoever steals your cow can be tracked and brought to justice. So I'm very, very happy with CS because of the program he has pronounced here, and it is my prayer that is going to be actualized.